Okay, I know this is like a weird starting to like a vlog. Well, I don't know if I should start calling them vlogs though. Let's just say video. So the stuff that it's about to play is, I don't know if I'm gonna put in like the stuff like the video where like I have it set up right here, and then like I have all this off, and I lost like a little screw thing, but it'll get into more like of like what I was doing in the video if I enter it in. I probably will. So it's probably gonna cut to that, and then it'll cut to me writing. But I don't know if I did it like a transition type thing. Thank you guys for 1K on TikTok, and then I'm growing on YouTube surprisingly. I'm at like 48 subscribers, but I'm just posting a lot more shorts. So I'm gonna start posting a lot more shorts, just because like I know that's easier, so I can do daily stuff, you know. But it's just like little videos like this, like the YouTube, like my longer videos, I'll have more talking. Like I'll be talking in them more. But yeah, I'm just trying to figure out what to film. Like I can't do anything to the Razor right now. It's because I gotta wait for the 6-month warranty. So hopefully, but I have an idea. I'm gonna try to work out like a little I don't know if I can call it like a sponsorship, but like I want to work out something where like I can put like a brand on it, if that makes sense. It probably is like a sponsor deal, but like I don't think I'm gonna be sponsored. Like I'm just gonna be like getting like a discount. But I'm trying to see what we can do with that, but I don't know. Hopefully it goes through. Like I really like the company, so maybe, I don't know, maybe a new sponsor deal. I know for sure I'll be posting on it. But yeah, hope like the way I want to do a sponsor is like I get like a 5% discount code, and I can give it to you guys so you guys can put it, like use it. And I think that would really help you guys, like not a lot, but it'll help a little, you know. Like just because I'm small, I think a sponsored deal for like a smaller channel, like I'm sure it's happened before, but like I don't think in the UTV world. Like that's what I want to grow into, is like the UTV world. But eventually, like I'll get into other stuff. Like eventually I want to get like a car in the video, like a truck. But for right now, that's my main priority, is the UTVs. I know I have a 4-seater, now I have a 2-seater. The 2-seater, I have a lot of plans. Hopefully, it all works out in the long run. I need to stop making these intros so long. But yeah, thank you guys for all the support. And next video, I'm gonna be posting my shirts. I made them, and hopefully they come out cool. I'm just waiting for the designer to like fax me all like the stuff, because I already made the design. I'm just waiting for like the designer to like to touch up everything. But yeah, thank you guys for all the support, and you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully I got some air. I don't know. We'll see right now. I'm gonna check the camera. Okay, this is like my 4th time shooting this. But yeah, you guys made it all the way to the outro. Thank you guys for watching, and like and subscribe.